Hi guys, it's John here from Tudor Rose Patchwork, and today we're just going to talk about really exciting Pintor pens, the Pintor paint pens, okay? We've just recently discovered that you can actually paint onto the glitter film with these pens, so we just want to show you all how exciting this can be. So you can see we have some samples that we've already started, okay? But they're so easy to use, and I think just it adds that further dimension to the glitter film as well, and sometimes tones down some of those bright areas, okay? So they're really easy. Shake your pen. Just to activate it, you sort of dab the nib of the pen, and then we can just carry on drawing and adding definition to the glitter. Now obviously you still want the glitter to show through, so you don't want to use too much on there, but you can just add a further dimension into the glitter film itself, okay? And you can see, just with a little bit, you can really add a further depth to that. Guys, I would encourage you to try these pens. They are brilliant. They do work on most things. This is just the latest that we have found for them, okay? Now, what you need to do is wait for the pen to dry completely, and then to just, you know, make it stay. You just pop a bit of greaseproof paper over the top and press. Now, I probably haven't left these pens on here for long enough, because they do need to sort of thoroughly dry. But you can see, once they're set with the heat, they're there permanently, alright? So you really can go for gold. Now the other thing I love about this is new glow in the dark, okay? I don't know if this will work on camera, but we'll give it a go. If you actually use the iron and go over the top, the glow in the dark really shines. Don't know if you can see that, but it's brilliant stuff. That glow in the dark isn't like these normal glow in the darks. This really, really glows in the dark, alright? So guys, I would really encourage you to come and get your Pintor pens. They come in so many different colours and they're great fun to use. Bye bye for now.